Welcome to the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast. Here fingerprint unlock method works here correct. I just unlock the device just less than in half of the second with a simple touch to the power key. I'm not pressing it, I just simply touch it. There is just no problem to unlock our device, so this is just a good result for the fingerprint unlock method. I just suggest you to try it, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.